Good afternoon, Greg Schaub from the Live Doppler 15 Weather Center. We're still going to keep the clouds through late this afternoon. We may see some clearing towards the early evening hours and then certainly clearing overnight. We're also going to see those gusty winds. Those winds gusting today up to 30 miles per hour. That's going to take those wind chills down into the 20s, even this afternoon. Now, we are going to look for those winds to continue overnight, so that'll keep those temperatures in the 30s instead of the 20s. And then tomorrow's high with those gusty wind is going to be up towards 50 degrees. Take a look, rapid warm up here, and then those temperatures are going to fall into the mid-50s, or rise, I should say, into the mid-50s on Thursday, lower 60s Friday, mid-60s Saturday, and then falling into the 50s on Sunday and 40s next week.